Welcome back. Today we will create a list containing a prime number between 1 and 100. For that we must create an empty list first. Okay, this is our empty list A. Now we will use loop I in range from 0 to 101. Okay, here 101 we put here because the range will start from 0 to n minus 1, so n minus 1 will be 100. Okay, now if I is greater than 1, then we again apply a inner loop here for j in range. Now the range will start from 2 to I, as I 1 delete all the elements, so then we get nothing inside a list of prime number. Okay, if I modulus j equals to 0, if the number is divisible, then we will break the loop. Done here. Else, if not, in else condition we append the I inside empty list A. Okay, we're done here. But before that we have to provide here condition that if I not in A, because it is a loop, it will repeat again and again, if and we get repetitive element inside a list. Now we're done here. Let's see what we have in the output. Okay, here we have obtained a list of prime number from 2 to 100. Now if we want to access the 30th 13th prime number from a list between 1 to 100, we can easily do that. Print a 30. Let's see what is a 13th element in list A. See, 13th element is 43. That's all.